Hey, I think it's time for some updates. Some of you may have noticed I haven't posted a video in a little bit, mainly because I've got a lot of stuff going on. Outside of the motorcycle, I'm a dad and I got a job and I do stuff. As is the case with most of y'all, so I don't do this YouTube thing full time, and it is how it is. Anyways, I just wanted to give you an update as to where we're at and kind of what's going on. So the next stage of the project is going to be getting that frame addressed. I haven't even touched it. I haven't done anything, and I've been tempted to, but I've got this glaring problem right in the center of my shop. So let's talk about this really quick. This is my grandpa's bike. Some of you are familiar with this and what's going on. This particular engine detonated, basically. It destroyed itself, ate itself alive. And so I have rebuilt the entire thing, and my rebuild failed.
Idiot.
In fact, there's the original piston from 1971, and there's an NOS piston that failed as part of the rebuild. I have a sneaking suspicion as to what happened. I won't get into it here. Just, those are my Buell pistons, by the way, the old original ones.
A few moments later.
Anywho, so I have got to get this finished. So before I can work on that, my brain has to complete this task. Mainly because there's going to be a lot of dust.
Well, obviously.
Getting thrown up by all the sanding and stuff I'm going to do on that frame. And I absolutely don't want to getting inside that engine. Right now, the cylinder and piston, everything I have to get this done is getting wrapped up at the machine shop and ought to be sent back fairly soon. It would have been sooner, but there was a mishap with let's just say one of the cooling fins got broken off. So it is what it is. I had the original one that came with the bike that was sent off, in addition to the fact the machinist was cool enough to find someone local that could weld the cast iron back together. And so he sent me photographs of that. I'll post them right here. Once this bike is fully assembled, then it's coming off a lift, and I'm going to go ahead and strip the forks, the wheel, everything, get everything torn down here, pull the fuel pump out, plug all the holes with some towels and tape, and start sanding. I will snap some photos of those original stickers so that I can get duplicates made, perhaps online. I don't know that I care about that too much, and that's something I can do way down the line. Not even worried about it. So I guess that's really where I'm at. The engine's still in its current state. I am working on some wiring. I say working on. I've torn off some loom. I got to get some more loom. I want to switch over to the nice expandable loom, which is what I did here on this bike. So it'll look a little bit cooler. That's not OE, and I'm sure that bothers some people, but I didn't have what I needed to get that done outside of that expandable loom. So I think it looks okay. One of these days I'll get around to making that more original looking. So this bothers me big time, this stuff here. And so I didn't plan on doing a video with me doing this wiring. You guys let me know in the comments below whether or not you want to see that happening. It is very boring, I will tell you, but if you've never seen it done before, I can post a video. Yeah, just let me know. I don't know. It is very tedious, and you're going to get a lot of shoulder cam. I'm just going to forewarn you. Lots of shoulder cam with that video. Yeah, so I think we're really just this is where we're at on this stage of the build. Actually, builds plural. That said, I appreciate everybody following along and your patience with me as I work on this. You know, I think everyone who's watching understands what I'm going through. Y'all got budgets, I got a budget, and time constraints and all kinds of stuff. So again, I appreciate you watching and following along. If you don't mind hitting the like button and subscribing and doing all that wizardry, in addition to the fact that I do have a Patreon now, and if you want to support the channel in that fashion, I very much appreciate it. It will help, I promise. All the dollars go to bikes, right? These bikes here and future projects. So if you want to help out in getting this project here moved along, I think every dollar counts, and I appreciate whatever you're willing to impart to me to do that. So anyways, that's all I got. Until next time, peace out. Peace out. And keep it between the ditches.